As a Fort Worth homeowner, avid gardener, and parent of grown children, Anna Villarreal appreciates the importance of energy savings in her home. And a big part of energy efficiency starts with the exterior door.
Definitely my front door is, there's hardly any lighting coming in, so it's extremely dark in my hallway. I think a brand new door with more glass, more lighting is gonna help overall. Not only the lighting, but I feel it will also help the electricity bill. There's many things advantages that it could have in switching out my front door.
Anna wanted to make sure a new door was not just affordable and energy efficient, but also provided a lot more lighting to her home. She found what she was looking for at her local Builders FirstSource.
We find there are a multitude of reasons that folks decide to upgrade their front doors, from energy efficiencies to aesthetics to security. The entryway is probably the least challenging and aesthetically most pleasing way to upgrade your home.
But you mentioned that you were looking for a wood door, and here's a wood option, and you have different types of glass. You have different privacy ratings.
And it should be easy for a homeowner or builder to find the perfect exterior door or building materials needed for a home renovation or construction project. Builders FirstSource is a Fortune 500 company with over 400 locations in 40 states and Alaska. That means a wide range of exterior door products available from a large company, but also the personalized attention at the local level.
Honestly, here you have different glass options. This is the Flemish, rain, glue chip. This will offer you a little bit more of a privacy. It's the rain glass. Privacy rating number 8, which will go exactly well what you're looking for.
Right, yeah, I really like that one. I think I'd want to go with that one.
Okay, we can go with that.
Okay.
Anna's receiving information from knowledgeable and competent salespeople that allow her to make decisions to stay on time and within budget for her project. Anna received the door that she had selected through our knowledgeable and experienced team that supplied the products. We actually offered more than a product, we offered a solution, and Anna seems very pleased with it.
With installation of her new exterior door completed, it means more security and lighting for Anna and more energy efficiency for her family.
Hello, Anna.
Hi.
So what do you think?
Well, it looks awesome.
Turned out beautiful, didn't it?
It looks beautiful.
So, and you're happy with the glass?
The glass is just what I was looking for.
So that gives you your privacy, and yet it's going to let light, come in as well.
I definitely feel that I'm going to see the energy efficiency come into play. The door is beautiful. The privacy is awesome. The lighting is great. I love it.
To learn more about Builders FirstSource and its complete line of exterior door products, go to their website, bldr.com, or go to designingspaces.tv to see this portion of the show again.